Repairing the damage, understanding a common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of a very common English phrase, repair the damage. Understanding phrases like this one is crucial for fluency and effective communication. So, let's dive in and uncover what it really means to repair the damage. The phrase, repair the damage, can be broken down into two parts, repair and damage. Repair is a verb that means to fix something that is broken or damaged. Damage, on the other hand, is a noun that refers to physical harm caused to something, making it less functional, valuable, or effective. When combined, the phrase metaphorically means to fix or rectify a situation where harm or detriment has occurred. It's not just limited to physical repair but can also refer to emotional, relational, or societal contexts. Let's see how repair the damage is used in various contexts. 1. Personal relationships. After the argument, he tried to repair the damage by apologizing and making amends. 2. Business and work. The company had to repair the damage done to its reputation after the scandal. 3. Physical objects. The mechanic repaired the damage to the car after the accident. 4. Environmental issues. Efforts are underway to repair the damage caused to the coral reefs. In each of these examples, the phrase is used to denote the action of fixing or improving a situation that has been negatively impacted. It's important to understand the nuances of this phrase. Repair the damage often implies that the harm done is significant but not irreparable. Related phrases include mend fences, in relationships, make amends, apologizing and compensating for harm, and rectify the situation, more formal. Thank you for watching. Today, we explored the phrase, repair the damage, understanding its meaning, usage, and context. Remember, learning such phrases enhances your English communication skills significantly. We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.